Moi! This video is about the comparative and superlative forms of adjectives. So, they work pretty much the same way they do in English, with its ER and EST endings in its comparatives and superlatives. In the Finnish language, a comparative always ends with the letters MPI, and a superlative always ends with the letters IN. And some easy examples of this would be the Finnish word for big, which is iso. The comparative of that, bigger, is isompi, and biggest is isoin. Also fast is nopea, faster, nopeampi, fastest, nopein. Low, matala, lower, matalampi, lowest, matalin. So, what do you think is the comparative and the superlative of this word pitkä, meaning long? If you figured that the comparative would be pitkämpi and the superlative would be pitkäin or pitkin, then that would be incorrect. The comparative is pidempi, and you might wonder, well, where in the goddamn did that D come from? Well, I don't know either. And then the superlative is pisin, and now it's an S for some reason. Now, this may not make any grammatical sense, or it may not be consistent, but that's not what the old speakers cared about. It rolls off the tongue better, it sounds better, it feels better to say it, and that's how languages naturally evolve. And this is just once again how the words mutate in the language. And here are some examples of these mutating comparatives and superlatives. The word for cold, kylmä, it is not kylmämpi, it is kylmempi, and the superlative is kylmin. Deep, syvä, deeper, syvempi, deepest, syvin. Beautiful, kaunis, more beautiful, kauniimpi, most beautiful, kaunein. And lucky, onnekas, luckier, onnekkaampi, and luckiest, onnekkain. And in adjectives that end with a kas, when you make it a superlative or a comparative, the K gets duplicated. And when it comes to adjectives that end with a nen suffix, in the comparative form, the nen turns into a sem, and in the superlative form, they always end with a sin. For example, the word for happy, iloinen, happier, iloisempi, happiest, iloisin. Secret, salainen, more secret, salaisempi, most secret, salaisin. Yellow, keltainen, yellower, keltaisempi, yellowest, keltaisin. The sin ending is also used when talking about the state of something. For example, alone would be yksin, upside down would be ylösalaisin, and mixed would be sekaisin. But, mixed is also an adjective in the English language, and the Finnish word for that adjective is sekainen. And the superlative of that Finnish word sekainen is sekaisin. So that's confusing, which is fitting, because sekainen is also the word for confused.